Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a table of content in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com and then click on the websites that you want to add your table of content on. This is my website on Google Sites. And first thing, I will create a fresh page. And I will call it, for example, blog post. Click on done. Then I will add a text box, and then I will ask ChatGPT to write me a long article with titles that the table of content should show up. Write me a blog post simply in that suits a table of content tutorial video. Okay, this is the title. It's the title and final thoughts. Okay, and let's remove this table of content provided by Google, by ChatGPT. Now to add a table of content, let's insert from, make sure you are in the insert tab, and here click on table of content. As you see, it was added first in the before my article, so I will select the header and click on insert spacer. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First in the before my article, so I will select the header and click on insert spacer. Yes, and in order to insert my big title here, so I will add a text. Okay, this is how it should look like. Let's remove this empty section, publish again, and let's view my published site. And this is the title, as you see, and this is the table of content. And when I click on a title, for example, what is an announcement bar, it jumps me to the correct section of my article. So how to add a table of content in Google Sites? It's simple. Click on table of content here and it will be added here. And of course you can edit it, for example, flatten or indent. I think indent is better. And this is how to add a table of content in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.